Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix shift lock not working in a Roblox. So if you're trying to move or do a shift lock in the Roblox and it is not working, I'll show you how you can fix it. So first you have to open up your Roblox player and make sure you're logged in, and you have to simply open the game. Once again gets open, you have to click on the Roblox icon and then you have to click on the settings, and in the shift lock option you have to turn it on. Once you have turned it on, in the movement you have to make sure that both keyboard and a mouse is enabled, and then you're good to go. You can play it, and then you would not see any issue related to the shift lock. You will see the game will be playing really smooth. But let's say you have done all that but you're still having the issues, then I'll show you how you can fix this one. So now what you have to do is you have to simply go to the settings. Then on the left side you will see this option gaming. You have to go there and click on game bar, and you have to make sure that this option is disabled. If it is enabled, it can cause issue in the shift log. So you have to simply disable it, get back to your game, and everything will be running smooth. So that's how you will be able to fix the shift lock issue in Roblox. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.